This is our 4th year here. We come back again and again because the engagement we get with the patient safety community is always really high and people are really interested to hear what we've got to say.
This is where people come to discuss exciting ideas in patient safety, to find out about the new innovations. A lot of really good stuff is happening out there and we can be part of it.
It's the biggest patient safety meet, if you like, in the UK. As a small business, it creates a really good platform for us to be able to showcase our flagship products. It's so difficult now to be able to access the correct people in the hospitals across both the NHS and private sector. Just having access to those people to help to educate the market, to show there is a problem in terms of what BEAM solves. It's a great opportunity for us to be able to make those connections.
We service the customers that are here today. There's lots of specialists in the scan for safety and the patient care arena, and that's one of the mainstays of the outcome portfolio. It's important that we meet our users and our consumers of our service. It's the right people at the right event for us.
The thing I enjoy most about being here is actually being amongst like-minded people who are driven by a similar mission, people who are dedicated to doing better in terms of how we deliver care.
When we heard about Congress, we thought we have to be there. Most people don't know who TMLEP are, so it's a great opportunity for us.
Some of the conversations that we've had on the stand have been very interesting about whistleblowing, about freedom to speak up. And at this sort of event, people are very happy just to come over and chat. You end up talking about lots of different things that you really don't see on a day-to-day basis.
We've enjoyed meeting colleagues, hearing personal stories from our speakers as well. They've been very touching, difficult to hear, but also very inspiring to make real changes within the patient safety world.
RJ were talking about reducing the risk for patients but also maximising outcomes for our customers. The delegates are brilliant. They're so active in coming up to the stands. They're genuinely intrigued about what new things can be focused on, how their suppliers can support them, and we're all about that at RJ.
We've heard a lot from the government that there's going to be no more money without reform and that the agency spend has got to come down. The model that we have is a medium to long-term staffing solution to avoid the use of agency doctors and to improve patient outcomes and better continuity of care as a result.
We've been operating in stealth mode for a few years and we've got lots of clinicians, over 34,000 now, that use the platform. We wanted to start to come out and basically showcase the products that we now got. This was the first event we've ever done and we felt it was a really good event to talk about what we offer.
This is by far the busiest one I've been to since post-pandemic. It's really back up to the numbers we would have seen before. The vibrancy of discussion, debate, it's a real energy that I can feel, and so that's been the best thing, feeling that again.
Really, it's about a bigger reach, just to try and build a set of relationships.
This event has all the clinicians here that we need to engage with.